You need to hear this if you're an agri student curious about farming's secret power. Ever wonder how sheep and goats help mountains thrive? Let's break it down. When we talk about mountain farming, sheep and goats aren't just livestock. They're nature's landscapers. As they graze, they munch down overgrown plants, which help stop wildfires before they start. Plus, their hooves mix up the soil like tiny gardeners, boosting plant growth and keeping the ground healthy. And guess what? Their poop is pure gold for the land, acting as natural fertilizer. All this means cleaner air, richer soil, and more wildflowers for bees and birds. So next time you see a flock on a hillside, remember, they're not just eating, they're helping mountain ecosystems stay balanced and beautiful. Sheep and goats, small animals, big impact. Mountain farming is truly a win for agriculture and for nature.